Today's tutorial where we're going to take a look at downloading and using robots on the CTrader network and the CTDN C-Algo network, so we can get access to other people's trading systems and ideas, test them in a demo environment and see how they actually perform. So in the CTrader platform you'll notice a couple of things. We've got symbols, favorites, and one called C-Bots. Now these are what we're going to be having a look at today. We're going to have a look at the C-Bots which are built within C-Algo. Now there's a couple that are already here, so they come pre-existing on your demo and live trading account. And you can find out a little bit more about them and you can apply them to various timeframes on the charts, like so. But what I want to show you is where you can actually access these on the network and the forum, and there's hundreds of trading systems available to you. So in the top middle here we go to links, and you'll need to open up C-Algo first of all. So open up C-Algo by left clicking on this button here. Now I've actually already got C-Algo open, and this is where we can access the trading robots and make changes to the code on each of those systems. Now if I just pop back to links within CTrader, you'll see the CTDN network. Now this is where all the forum and you get to access all the different trading robots and indicators and forum and so on. So what I'm going to do is left click on C-Bots, and that'll bring up the CTDN network like so. Now the CTDN network is access to hundreds of traders and robots and APIs and everything to do with building trading systems using the CTrader platform and the C-Algo platform. So we're just going to pop into C-Bots. So within this section here we've got access to hundreds and hundreds of trading systems, and you can sort them all individually. Okay, so up the top right hand side here you can see by date, or we can actually do it by popularity, rating, date or name. So I might just pop into by popularity, and you'll notice the format that it's in. I can do tile view or I can do list view. Okay. Now it's great because it's already sorted according to date, category, preview, and you can see the amount of downloads that people have actually made on this particular system, and you can see the number of comments there as well. So this particular news robot system has got 55 comments. So in order to download one of these, it's very straightforward. There's a couple of things. First, you can click on the robot itself and it will give you a description of it, and it should give you some back-tested results as well. You'll be able to see the full source code, and you can see all the comments that people have made on it. Now if you wish to download it, just keep in mind there's a strong warning here. Invast do not authorize or approve or suggest that these systems are capable of doing anything. You'll need to test that for yourself. So there is a clear warning here. It says executing the following C-Bot may result in loss of funds. Use at your own risk. So please be aware that trading and using these type of systems do come at your own risk, and they do involve the chance of loss. So all we need to do is left click on download, and that downloads the robot. Now in order to upload it, it's very straightforward. Just double left click on the actual file itself and launch within C-Algo. Okay, so that's about to apply itself to CTrader. Okay, so it's just said installing the news robot C-Algo, so we click on yes, and it's been successfully installed. So you can see it's very straightforward to apply it. Now I'm actually in CTrader at the moment, and you can see the news robot has been added. Now if I wanted to apply it, it's very straightforward. I just click on the plus button here and I apply it to whichever chart I like. So if I wanted to apply it to the euro dollar, it's got some parameters that we can actually use and change. Okay, so you've got the availability to change the parameters there. If you're happy with those, and keep in mind this is on a demo account, click on apply. Okay, so this comes up and it's now got a play button with news robot. So I click on play and it says, do you understand that it involves risk and that will instantly launch. If you click the start button, start C-Bot button, it will instantly launch the C-Bot, which may result in trading operations. Okay, so if you understand all of that and you're happy with it, click on OK. Once again, test these all in a demo environment first. So once we've accepted that, we then need to click the play button again, and now that news robot is actually live and it's ready to place orders in the system. Now if you wanted to turn that off, obviously it's just clicking the stop button, and then it's been taken off and it will no longer execute trades on your behalf. Now the other thing with C-Algo is when we've got the news robot here, we can actually see the full code here. Okay, so you've got access to the full code, and one of the great things with this is you can get into the code, start to get an idea of how it works, and then you can modify it and copy and paste bits of the code to create your own C-algo CBOT trading system. Okay, now there's a couple of other things that you just need to determine. When you'll see this little button here, the build CBOT, okay, if that has got a cross beside it, it means there's something wrong with that actual robot. If when you click on it, it turns completely white, then it is ready to go. So as you can see here, the news robot, which we just downloaded, is white and it's ready to go. So back in CTrader, that's exactly how we apply the CTrader robots. Once again, you've got access to those robots there via the ctdn.com.